What's the meaning of barnet? Barnet. Barnet.
Barnet. Barnet. Barnet is a slang term used in London to refer to one's hair, specifically a hairstyle that is long, wild or unkempt. The word has its origins in the Cockney rhyming slang, where barnet fair rhymes with hair. It is believed to have originated in the 19th century and has since become a common part of East London's vernacular. The term has been popularized by various British musicians and television personalities and is now a widely recognized piece of British slang. In recent years, it has gained more mainstream attention through the rise of men's grooming products and the fashion for longer hairstyles.